So that's it, bike is in the car, bags are all packed up, ready to go. Let's get some Queenstown, here we come. So, after 30 hours of travelling, 4 flights and 6 plane meals, we finally made it to Queenstown. And I tell you what, it does not disappoint. Like, just look at this place. It's absolutely incredible. I went and picked up my pass for the gondola. Just got that sorted. When I got here, the bike box was in an absolute state. I had to go and I ended up trying to build the bike up and just started losing parts on the floor. Basically building it on a driveway on like really stony ground. So I ended up just like giving up with that and taking the bike straight to a bike shop. Couldn't do it straight away, so hopefully I'll get back tomorrow. I'll finally get to go and ride my bike. I'm absolutely buzzing for this trip. Like, it just looks amazing, and you know, I literally. Yeah, just look at that. I was just thinking as well, like, look how well kept this place is. They're in like this like gardening bit and like, it's insane. Just like so like well maintained and like well looked after. It's just so beautiful. First impressions are, it's amazing. It looks insane. So baby, Queenstown. So I had to put my bike away yesterday just to get it fixed up. Got an email there saying that it's it, ready to go. So I'm just walking down the street just now, ready to go, pick up the bike and head up the hill for the first couple of laps.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is like probably the best first run though.
Right, okay.
Nice and flowy.
Right.
Yeah, it should be open soon. Someone crashed.
Oh, here we go. Okay, let's go. First run. Oh. Bike's feeling alright. Take a bit getting used to. It's funny about the settings a bit. But hey. First run going good. So, going up for second run. The first run was kind of mishmash everything. There's a load of trails closed when I got to the top. Went back, there was like the bike was kind of all over the place. I don't know how much of the footage I'm going to use, but yeah, I had to go back, so you had to go down, brakes had to be moved, fork and shock pressure had to be adjusted. So hopefully now it's going to be running a bit better. Back again. It's like, I think it's been 2 days since I've done the last vlog. So yesterday I went to ride and the GoPro mounts snapped and stuff like that. So I spent all day yesterday trying to find GoPro mounts. Got a bit of riding in, big improvement. So yeah, today I thought I'll try and get as much footage as I can. So I went up to the bike park this morning. The gondola's shut until 12 o'clock. So I'm now coming up to Wynyard bike park, try and get a few laps in here, hit some jumps. So yeah, took me ages to try and find the climb, but finally found it. And again, some lovely views. Aye, let's see how it goes. this will probably be the last vlog of this video. I know I keep going on about different problems I'm having with the cameras and stuff, but again, another problem. So yesterday was the second day on the bike, and I had a GoPro mount like here, and it snapped when I turned up. I was like, oh, for God's sake. So I couldn't find one all day yesterday, so I couldn't really do much recording, and then I couldn't find the bit to actually put in my helmet. So last night I went out and I managed to find the bit for it, so I put it on and I got a couple of clips which will probably be in this video. But I was in the gondola, I got to the top of the last run and the thing fell off, so it wasn't like stuck on properly. So again, for the rest of the day I'm probably just going to ride. There'll be plenty of opportunities to get GoPro footage, but yeah, it'd be handy to like, because some bits of some runs you do better, and it'd be better for piece and bits. But yeah, so that's probably going to be the end of this vlog. I'm now like 3-4 days in, maybe. I think this is day 4, 3.5. Don't know. But anyway, yeah, it's been good. It's been fun. And we have to have a break on the bike. I've just been so beat up with just riding up here. I think I've done like 16 laps of the hill so far. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but you know, when they're like 5-10 minute runs, it takes it out of you. But yeah, it's been good, and yeah, again, I just can't get over like how sick this view is. It is incredible, like unreal. But yeah, until, well, I think over the next couple of days I'm going to look into maybe doing some activities and stuff like that. So yeah, maybe do some like paragliding. I think I kind of want to do like paragliding. That looks pretty sick. And there's like just loads of like little things I kind of want to try and do while I'm here. And yeah, maybe try and hire a car. It's just kind of that awkward time, like being over Christmas and stuff. But yeah, the plan is to hire a car, maybe go and ride like Cornet Peak and then Wanaka. There's a bike park up there. So yeah. So I thought the last one might have been the last video of this vlog, but I figured I'd do that in another one. So I managed to bash out 6 laps this morning. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon now, I think, maybe 2. So yeah, I just came down to the lake, just to chill for a bit. But the reason I wanted to do this was like, just look at this. It's fucking incredible. Again, I keep saying it, but it is. It's breathtaking. But yeah, look at this. Unbelievable. Like, you can just come down after a run and go for a dip. Like my plan, we'll do that later on today. We're going to go for a dip, first dip, and then yeah,